Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when me say it hot. It hot like scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I have a sweet, juicy little prank with me. I got phone, no guys, and me I go run past Saya. You know, a prom time, and she bought her dress for her prom already. But my prank when me I go run pan her is that I do not like the dress where she buy, and I bought her 3 dress where she can choose from. So she have 3 frock where she can choose whichever one of the frock she a go wear. Because the frock where she bought, I don't like that frock. And this graduation is not for she. This graduation is for me. You understand me? So she have to dress like how me want her to dress. Guys, it will be epic. So me I go show you her dress where she buy for wear go a prom. She downstairs in the basement. I know what she do down there, but she gone down there. But me I go show you the dress where she buy for prom, for her prom. See her prom dress here, guys. So we go carry it downstairs. And we go set up my little thing. Guys, this is dress number 1. This is dress number 2. And this is dress number 3. So then we have the 3 dress when we get back, which we choose from for the prom. Cyan! Cyan! Come here!
I need to seriously buy some juice.
I
don't want these juice boxes
bought the
anymore.
bottle. What?
I need something other than the juice
So what
box.
then drink water. If you don't want the juice, you drink water. If you don't want this juice box, I
What
get
do you do
them.
with my dress?
We do with the dress? Okay, this is the thing. We need to talk to you about this dress where you have. I don't like this dress. You understand me? Like, what is this style for this dress?
What do you mean?
Yeah,
This is like, I told you I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
Beauty and the Beast.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the yellow dress
Yeah, but
that I'm doing. It has a nice leg slit. I showed you the picture of
what my girl dress was, when they say you're doing a yellow dress, a nice yellow dress, I thought you were doing one with the crinoline round the
like
the
the
frock.
ball gown.
Yeah, I thought that's
No,
what you're gonna do.
I mean, I could have done that, but like, that would have been too much. Like, how would I wouldn't be able to like sit in the car, and this is what I was able to find. I like
Well,
this one.
that I don't like that. That's ugly. So what I did, I bought you a choice. I bought you 3 dress to choose from. Okay?
Grandma, this is the dress that I'm gonna use.
Yeah, but I bought you 3 dress. So first of all, I've never been to a prom. So this prom that you're going to, you're just going there in spirit, but you're representing me in body. So I bought you 3 frock.
Wait.
I bought you this nice green frock. Look at it. Can't even put it against you.
Grandma,
Look how it flow nicely on your body.
come in like you want me to look like Shrek for the prom.
Like Shrek?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. I can't see you say Shrek because it's green like Shrek. Okay. Then
I'm doing Belle,
Okay.
Beauty and the Beast. None of
look
these are.
from Belle. Imagine Belle in a this. You can imagine Belle in a this. It's a nice pink to go with the yellow,
This?
orange or whatever.
This
Yes.
is not. But this is not giving like a prom.
Oh, you mean it's not giving like a prom? As we said, remember me I represent you now. You have put on the dress, but I me have on the dress I wear to the prom. I've never been to the prom, and me have been to the prom. Your body are gonna but my spirit in your
Come on, we
body.
never made this agreement. I don't
Oh, you
know
mean
what you're
never
talking about.
Well, because listen,
My prom is just now. I don't have time to go through all of this with you.
Look
I
on the
don't
dress.
Like this, Grandma. I don't like
it
this.
is very nice.
Okay, it's
look,
cute.
look,
It's
yeah.
cute, but like
So
this,
what's wrong with it?
the material up here is just giving.
This is
old.
beautiful. Oh, you mean giving all? Look
That's
how
not my
nice
style.
this is.
That's not my style.
Okay. All right. What about the third one now? You can't say this is not your style. Look, see, it have on the shiny like the pan in the frock. Look what it said pan me. Remember, I'm me in your body. I go
What
this.
are you talking about right now?
Can you imagine?
It's not
Can
you
you
going. It's not you
yeah, but can you
going.
imagine me being in your body going to the prom, Cyan? Me imagine myself in your body already.
Oh my God.
So I am imagining
I
myself
don't
in
know
your body.
what's wrong with you. But
What?
this is not gonna work. I don't like any of these dresses. I don't like
Oh,
any
you mean
of
you
these.
like none of them? What's
No,
wrong with?
I'm sorry.
Okay, what's wrong with it? Tell me what's wrong with
This
the dress.
one
Mm-hmm.
coming like a Shrek. This one coming like a Shrek.
Okay. Me can't see Shrek. Me I look on Shrek right now. Me can't see Shrek.
Exactly.
Okay, me
So
can't see
Fiona,
Shrek.
you want me to look like?
Okay,
This
but
one
this one now,
is too
that look like
short.
a Bella.
This is too short, and
But-
I don't like the color of it. Is not gonna go, and it's not giving prom.
Oh, you
It's
mean-
giving like a
Okay,
picnic vibe,
no, this is that. Okay, you have a
or
nice.
like a semi.
Look, okay, look on your shoes. You have a black shoes, well, twiney on your foot. You
That's
boot
not gonna go
twiney
with
on your
this.
foot with the silver diamond in
And then
it.
this one. No, I don't like this one. This one is not.
Even
This
this.
is not even my size. This is.
Oh, you
too
mean not
big.
yours? It's not too big. You have boobs. The boobs are huge. Look on your boobs. Look. Okay. Watch. Just put up the dress. Watch it. Oh my God. Look. Look. Your boobs probably too big
Let
for
me
you.
look.
Look on the frock.
Okay.
The frock look good.
Okay.
Put on the frock
No,
over your head.
This could
Okay.
be cute.
Put on the frock over your head.
Hold on.
Put on the frock over your
I'm
head.
gonna give it a shot. That doesn't mean I'm gonna wear it though. I'm not wearing it, but this one doesn't look. I could. Let me just try it out. Let me give it a try.
No, but I bust off the string in because if you not wear them, me I forgot bring. Oh my gosh. As me said, this is giving me.
I'm not gonna wear this. I'm just telling you that right now, so don't even.
Watch it.
Don't even.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Look how sweet you look. Jesus have mercy upon our soul. Oh my. Look how sweet you look on the frock. Fine, you know, look good on the frock.
Unzip the frock.
Oh
Unzip
my
the frock.
God. Look how the frock look nice on you.
Unzip
Look how it
it.
fit on your booty.
Unzip
Oh
it.
my gosh.
No,
Watch it.
I tried. It doesn't look good. Take it off.
Say you like your frock. The frock look very good.
Okay, I appreciate you trying to get me something else, but I don't like any of these. You know these are not my style.
You don't have to. You keep talking about you and your style. Didn't you hear what I said? You is me. You carrying. I am going to the prom in your body. You understand me? So I'm me.
No, I don't know what kind of foolishness thing you're on.
Oh, you mean me did upon? I've never been to in all my
I
life. I've
understand
never
that,
been to
girl.
I never been to a prom in all of my life. No, you are go. Kira never went to a prom, not that I know of. Jada never went to a prom, not that I know of. May have
I
you,
understand.
Malia, have much years before she go to a prom. May have you know we are gonna go to a prom. You are one of my resource. If you not go on my head, like Malia decides that she not gonna go. What me I gonna do? Me probably dead before Kimaya time come. So, can you please wear one of them dresser to the prom? And as me say, I know you are go to the prom and me I go to the prom in your body. So and me I go be wearing the frock, not you. Can you do that for me?
Okay, Grandma, I understand that you never went to a prom and
Mhm.
whatever, but I'm going to the prom and I'm gonna record it. Everything you can watch it. You can imagine.
But
it in my
I mean,
body.
nothing of this frock. Me not can't imagine me in a this frock.
But look at this though.
Look on the frock.
Look at this.
Yes, but first
Look
of
at
all,
it.
the whole of my leg I go out the door.
It's
Me
my leg.
me
It's my leg.
I'm me in your body. So
But
I
Grandma,
know
we
your leg.
didn't make this agreement though.
You did, I am trying to make the agreement with you. I'm just putting it to you now because I need to see the whole of your leg out the door. Me no want to show my leg like that. You
It's
understand?
not your leg, Grandma though.
So who for leg?
It's mine.
Yeah, but I'm me I go in your. Why you not understand what I'm saying? Me I go swap soul. You go swap soul. Your soul I go come in and my body and
And
my
you
soul
want me
I
to
go.
stay home and sacrifice myself and not wear what
So-
I want to wear to the prom because of
Because
you.
you're giving me a chance to go to the prom in all of my life I've never been. So you can't make that sacrifice for me if you go to the prom. It's a sacrifice. You
Grandma,
can't.
but I don't like any of those dresses though. It's not like you even came with anything good. And it's not even the theme that I wanted to do. I wanted to do
But we
this
can't.
is Belle from Beauty and the Beast because this is my favorite Disney character.
But this can't work for me. We can't wear Bell now for wear yellow. Bell have a orange I'm dressed like this too. Bell have a dress like this too.
Grandma, I really like this one though. So we can do something else like.
Well, okay, this is where me I go blood clot tell you.
Grandma, don't.
This is going in the garbage bag.
You're not
This is going in the garbage bag
You're not serious.
because you're not
It's not going in the garbage bag.
you're not hearing me. I am telling you.
Crumbling up my dress.
You're not hearing me.
I just pressed this up. I'm gonna have to go to the prom and I'm gonna re-press the dress to go to the prom. Are you serious?
What you
Grandma, you just crumpled it up. I took such a long time to iron this out. Are you serious right now?
Of course I'm serious. Why am I asking you to do that for me? You see, no, I sacrifice all of my life for you and the whole of your uncle, the picnic, the whole of I sacrifice my life for you. I mean, ask one of my grandkids, one I want to make one sacrifice for me to give me a
I
prom
already
time.
bought my dress and I took the time into finding it and everything like that. You could have talked to me about this beforehand if you wanted to be a part of choosing the dress. You could have talked to me about it from before.
We are
you can't come last minute.
we are soul switching. I am gonna come into your body and be the one at the prom. This is why I choose the dress them.
What kind of voodoo something are you talking about?
I'm not talking about voodoo something. All we have to do, we have some water there when we mix, where we have to drink and we can't swap.
I'm not drinking nothing. You need to really get yourself together. Honestly, I don't know. You can put these in the garbage.
Why would I put the good decent dress them in the garbage?
I'm joking. You don't have to put them in the garbage. But Grandma, maybe you can help me choose out something else like.
This is what I have. We don't have nothing else. So them three I'm select. So I'm
No,
one
I'm
of
saying
them.
like you can help choose like, you know.
Choose what? Choose another frock?
Like
So you got choose another
lip color I wear?
What the lip have to do with the freaking sitting?
You can choose something else, but not the dress, Grandma. I already spent so much time and money and effort into getting this. I'm so sorry. When did you have the time to get these?
Same time when you get them there.
But you didn't say anything to me about it. You can't come with this sort of thing last minute. I'm telling you, I'm sorry, and I understand that how you might feel about it, but I can't see myself switching the dress right now.
I can't really and truly can't believe that you're not gonna do that for my grandmother. But it's I saw it go. It's okay. Maybe just they are sad. You must have spent all my time looking them frock here.
But you didn't talk to me about it though. I could wear them.
None of them frock in the world.
I can wear something.
She said this makes you look like Shrek. Well, you can't agree. It's still like Shrek, but I mean, not Shrek in it, but it's all good.
I'm sorry that I don't want to make you feel upset or anything like that, but I could wear one of these dresses. Like I could wear this one, but not to the prom though. Like maybe I could wear this when I come back from prom, and like you know, after prom.
What about this one?
That one?
I like this one.
Hello, darkness.
Green like Shrek, but I don't see Shrek or Fiona in it. Maybe Fiona still, but it's all good there. When our young people want to do the thing. I've never been to a prom, so fuck it. Who gives a fuck whether they go to a prom or not?
Okay, but Grandma, what if
it's
I
all
wear
good.
this? What if I wear this after prom?
You know what? Do whatever
Or
you want.
you can choose one of these for me to wear
What?
after prom. Which one do you want me to wear after prom? Which one of these dresses?
We don't make you wear that one day.
Okay, so I could do that. I could wear it after prom. But for prom, I really already chose this dress, and I really want it to be like, you know, the Disney princess. You know, Bella's my favorite.
Yeah, but you know, look not like Bella. Your head big. Okay. You want to look like Bella. First of all, your head is big. Bella face is thin. Yours is broad.
Okay. So I don't have to look like her face.
So you gotta put on the frock? Say you do Bella thing?
I don't have to have her face. It's just the concept of it, like, you know?
But that not give me Bella. Me not see Bella. It's the Cyan. I see myself in a dress.
Own type of thing, you know?
Okay, alright.
But I'll wear this after prom. Is that okay? Does that satisfy you?
You know what? It's okay. You don't have to wear none of them.
I could wear this after the prom.
No, you don't have to wear. Go ahead and be Bella. and wear your bella and do your bella thing. I will just tell myself, say I have never been to a prom and I will never ever been to a prom in all of my life. So I will just leave it to that. Because I was just gonna body switch and go to the prom.
I
In
don't know
your
what kind
body.
of voodoo body switch you're talking
So,
about.
but if that now go,
water.
if that you not gonna drink the water,
No.
okay then, all right.
I
Then.
don't know what kind of voodoo something you're gonna go.
Okay then, all right.
Grandma, I don't like the way you're moving your arm right now.
Come here,
Seriously.
move me on. Where you think me gonna do?
I don't know, but I don't like it. And you're talking about you're doing magic, so I don't know, Grandma. I'm sorry that.
You wait till the prom time. So when prom day come and you find your soul not in your body, remember me to tell you.
Are you serious?
Me not even a while with you. Me not even a while with you. Me
Are you serious?
I was hoping that you would volunteer and make this thing work. And it's due to the fact that you not volunteer and make this thing work, I'm gonna do my own thing.
I'm actually scared.
And that's all I have to tell you. And I'm gonna leave you with that. I'm gonna do my thing, girl. You be better. Wear your yellow dress. And then we can come out when the time comes and whichever one of the three fact them choose to wear. Okay.
I think I'm gonna go to my dad's house.
I don't give a fuck where you are. Anyway, the bitch, I just see you get fucked. I don't care. Anyway, they get
I think we need some space.
Don't
So-
need no space. You do what?
I don't know. I'm gonna put my dress up.
Okay.
So
Remember me tell you this. Remember me tell you. When soul swips come, when the time come for soul swap, soul I go swap. It's okay.
God will protect me.
Go on with that one day. Go on with that one day. God don't go protect me if you go to the prom for the first time. God don't go make me go a
No,
prom.
Grandma, I'm actually scared. Do we need to go to your doctor?
If you go do what?
Seriously, you don't act like this.
Maybe you go to the doctor for do what?
The way you're acting, I'm
Oh, because of the soul swap? The soul
all
swap?
of what you're saying.
Alright, baby girl, don't worry. Don't worry, I got you. I got you.
We're gonna go to the doctor.
I got you, yes. Yes, I got you.
Do you need anything?
No, I got you.
Okay.
I got you, girl. This one swap. Can't swap this one over now. Cyan, come here. Cyan, come here, baby. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Come here, darling. Come here, honey. I have something else for you. I bought you something very nice for prom. Not a handbag, but something you can wear on your hand. Come.
Don't touch
Just
me.
can you come over here,
Don't
please?
touch me,
I'm not gonna touch
seriously.
you. I'm not touching you. Just come over here. I gotta get it for you.
Okay.
I never want to show you it. What's this? What's this?
I don't know.
Can you come over here? Come a little closer. Listen, just come here. There's something,
No,
man.
I just hugged you and you're talking about you
I'm
can
just-
so swap.
Sorry, it's just a prank. I'm just messing around with you. Seriously, I'm just a prank. I'm just messing around with you. Why would I be? What the fuck?
Where did you get tree frog from?
Let me address from a long time, like upstairs in the closet.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Thank God, because gosh, I was ready to call the doctor on you because you're talking about.
No, them dresser was upstairs. I got you, didn't I?
Yes, I'm like, no, what's going
No,
on?
no, come on, girl. You have your prom to go. Why would I want you to wear them your old dress and go to the prom?
At
Them
least,
not
so
old,
you
them
can
are
see
my
how they're
dress.
not really gonna be
These
for
are
my
my
style.
dress. These are my dress when I was younger. And them still can wear, but none of you guys
It's not
never
gonna be
wear
a nice
them.
style.
Yeah.
Not
So,
for prom.
yeah, but I was just messing around just to see what you'd think if you'd really choose one of them
No,
over your yellow frock.
no, girl.
No,
No.
your yellow frock is just right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's
Just
just
thank God,
I was
because
just-
I was about to start packing my bags. I didn't know what you were gonna do to my dress while I was
I was just messing around. Swap.